Dave's out right now doing some runs, changing the jetting up because it was definitely rich on the top end. You could hear it breaking up pretty bad. It just wasn't making power. We just dropped it, I think 2 or 3 sizes. It was really rich. Smells good.
Yeah, it's I just want to make sure that we're.
This is a 10, Dave. I have a 10.
Okay.
How'd that feel, Dave?
It feels a lot better. It pulls good on top.
It sounded better.
Yeah. This temperature, we would drop to an 8, just to keep it from fouling the plug.
BR8ES.
Yeah,
BR8ES. A little fat, huh? Yeah.
Well,
With that hot of a plug.
I had it really rich at the house.
So what is this, a 178, Dave?
This is an 82.
A 182, that's right.
And I'm going to listen to you, and you're just going to go out there and go, rap, 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 rap. Don't hang it out. Just run it
What's going on, guys? We are out here at Whitefield doing some test and tuning with the 250R. I'm out here with Dave Moore. Dave Moore is a very well-known engine builder. We just got done doing a ton of work to this motor and just going over things. If you guys are interested in seeing the build of this motor, hang tight. Depending on when you watch this, it will probably be linked at the end of the video, but we did do an entire build video, Dave and I, so that's going to be a pretty cool video to watch. That feels pretty good. Now, unfortunately, there's about a 20-minute segment of the video that didn't record, and it was perfect because you could really hear the motor was breaking up really bad. It was just way, way, way rich, and I mean, honestly, it wasn't even running right. I really wanted to show that to you guys so you could hear for yourselves. And I also had an opportunity to ride Dave's 350 three-wheeler that you'll see in this video. We did a couple pulls with it, and I just, oh man, it's just, it sucks, man. I didn't even press the record button, but man, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you've ever done that before. It feels pretty good. I'm shifting too early. Still shifting too early once I get it like past third. I just don't want to make it scream too hard, you know. Is that what you wanted? Just run through the gears?
What?
Is that what you wanted? Just run through the gears?
Yeah. We're going to go out, just do a little riding around, see what the temperature does now. I'm going to grab my DSLR so I can get some pictures of you.
Okay. It is a cool day though, and it's breezy. 123. What's that? Aren't those nice, man? They actually make thicker ones. So these are like super thin, and they were polished. I didn't even know it. They make ones for powder coating that are a little bit thicker.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I mean, there's nothing wrong with those.
Right.
But they are, when they're not bolted up, man, you could just fold them right in half.
Yeah.
They look awesome though.
Yeah, they're unlike anybody else's.
Yep. this is Justin Lawrence. He was kind enough to come out and lend me his Scat Tracks that I have on the back of the 250R in this. I know a lot of people are going to be saying like, oh, why aren't you running sand tires in the front? I just don't have them for it right now, but I will be getting Scat Tracks soon. So Justin's riding a 330. I don't know all the details about the motor, but I'm pretty sure Dave worked on it and he said it's a really good runner. It's got one of those giant FTZ pipes and it sounded really nasty. Pretty cool bike.
Feels like it's really building power. I don't know if it warmed up to like the right temperature range or what. Definitely happy when it gets up into those R's. But even off the bottom, it picks up pretty nice.
Let's rewatch that clip and just take note of Dave Moore. And for anybody wondering, it's a 350 built by him. It's got a custom chassis, motors built by him and everything, and it weighs about 220 pounds. It's probably about 120 pounds lighter than my 250R. It has way more power, and it also has a 16-inch extended swing arm, and it's on 22-inch Scat Tracks.
Man, this thing stands straight up. It wants to stand straight up.
Race Justin.
Dude. I don't know if it's because it warmed up or whatever, but the power is like, it pulls really good now. All right, so Dave hopped on my bike. He's gonna race Justin. Justin's on a 330, I believe. Oh, I think Dave got him. That FTZ pipe sounds so good on Justin's, holy shit. He said he just packed it too. It is ratty as hell, man. Ratty in a good way. It's got that like snap, crackle, pop sound, man. I love it.
Yeah, that thing pulls pretty good on the big end.
That thing pulls good. That thing runs really good.
Yeah. I
It's a
fucking
wheelie
hit
fast
fourth air, dude. And I'm like, fuck.
You just edged it out. You just edged it out.
And then when I punched it into fifth, it was like night-night.
Yeah.
This thing is just fun, man. Woo! Hell yeah. This is fun, man. Dave was just kind of like explaining to me how to power shift, because I never really do that. I always just full clutch and let off the gas. The only thing is that first gear really just wants to stand it straight up. Look at that, 156, baby. This is too much fun, dude.
Power shifting right there. You're doing really good too. Just nice shifts.
You can hear it?
Oh yeah. Come on, buddy. Come on now.
Dave, ask me if it's better.
Is it better?
Oh, dude, yeah, it's better. Holy shit.
Yeah, I can hear you ripping it up out there.
I definitely think it's still rich.
Oh yeah, of course it is.
And it's what do you think it is right now? Like 45
Probably
degrees,
about 45 degrees
Fahrenheit?
Probably 50. Yeah, it's a little bit cold, but she's on the rich side. She'll make more power. This thing will freaking rip for a long time. Let's put it like this: if you can run that kind of temperature and that hard, where's the downside?
Yeah. That was fun, dude. That was a lot of fun.